If Gmail is showing error 69585, don't worry. This usually means your account has triggered a temporary sending restriction. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to fix it step by step so you can start sending emails again safely. And if this guide helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the most important thing to do is wait 24 hours. Stop sending emails temporarily for at least a full day, because repeatedly trying to send messages can restart the restriction timer and make the problem last even longer. So instead of retrying over and over, give Gmail time to lift the block naturally. While you're waiting, it's also a good idea to reduce your email volume going forward. If you've been sending a lot of messages in a short time, slow down and spread your emails throughout the day instead of bulk sending all at once. Gmail can flag sudden high-volume activity as suspicious, so sending fewer emails at a time can help prevent the error from coming back. If you regularly send mass emails, consider using a dedicated email marketing service instead of sending everything through a standard Gmail account. That's much safer for larger outreach campaigns. Next, review your email content carefully. Remove spam-triggering words, too many links, or anything that could look suspicious to Gmail's filters. If you attach files, make sure they aren't too large, and avoid sending attachments that may raise security concerns. Also check any links you included, because if one of them was flagged by Google's safe browsing, Gmail may block the message or restrict sending. After cleaning up your email content, wait for the restriction period to pass, then try sending a normal message again. Keep it simple. Keep it low volume and avoid anything that looks like bulk or risky sending. In most cases, that combination is enough to fix Gmail error 69585 and prevent it from happening again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy email troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.